Hi everybody, it's Jessica from Trencita Johnson, and today we're back with a ponytail style that we spiced up with some lace braids, with just 2 of them, and that's it. Easy style for summer. Hope you like it, and if you're new on our channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the little notification bell for not missing any new tutorial. Let's get started.
I start this style with the half moon shape that I actually start where she normally has the parting, and then from there I write like a C shape, like the letter C, until the point where I would like to sit the ponytail later. And then after I did more or less the shape, I just correct a bit. This is the first line that we're going to draw. So like you see, over her left eyebrow to the back of the head, and then the hair that we don't need right now is just into a side ponytail. Now, parallel to the line that we just described, I take more or less like little finger wide or 5mm wide portion of hair that goes parallel to the first line. Here's where the ponytail is going to sit. And this 1 finger wide portion, our first one that we prepared, is going to be held by another elastic over the existing side ponytail. Now, describe a second line parallel to the first one, and this is for our second lace braid of our second cornrow. The rest of the hair is going to be bound into a deep ponytail in the neck of Trencita, and we're going to work with the first portion. I use some edge control, that's just to avoid flyaways, to have a neat parting, and I just like it. Then for not using so much product, the rest of the hair I just spritz with some water. And now we're going to bring always the top hair first under. So you have the 3 strands. Take the strand from the top under the middle, the outer strand under the middle, the one from the top, that's always the one from the parting, and it's also the side where we're going to add in hair. This is a lace braid, so we're going always to add in hair just from this side, from the side where the side ponytail is. Bring it under the middle and add in some hair. And like this, you always combine the new hair with the existing strand. Here you see that I just forwarded a bit. It's a regular lace braid, so nothing complicated. The most difficult thing on these tiny braids is to keep the hair braided closely to the scalp. If you hold your hands like this, like I do it with the palms down right here, because I like to do that when I'm working with long hair, then I have the strands always separated between my fingers. Then you want to make sure that you always pull the strands. You see, I bring it under and then I pull so that it keeps, the braid keeps close to the scalp. Then keep on braiding until you reach the end of the head. Do some extra stitches after there's no more hair to add in, and then I just, for the time being, tie off with another elastic. That is our first cornrow. From over her left eyebrow to the back of the head, and now we take the second portion, the original first C shape that we described, in the same width that we did the first cornrow. And now again the same procedure, just take some edge control. You see here that I go to both sides, and she has tiny baby hairs here in the front. There I added some gel. Again, 3 strands. And the strand from the top there where the parting is, where we are going to add in hair, goes first under the middle, then the left under the middle. And I do, when I have tiny strands, 2 stitches before I start to add in hair. perhaps it's just something that I do, I don't know, but I like the result. So keep on braiding. At the beginning, when I don't have much hair to work with, I like to add in the hair with a comb. Make sure that you always separate the strands in between of your fingers. And here you see I section off or lift up a bit of hair and then section off the amount that I want to add in. You always add in, like I said before, only from the top layer. And like this, you're going to braid until the end of this portion of hair, where it's going to be the ponytail later. When you're done with the 2 cornrows, you're going to do the ponytail. Trencita has a lot of hair, so I'm going to do the ponytail in 2 steps. That means I'm going to take out first the cornrows, and then I'm taking from the left side a portion of hair more or less over her eyebrow. I start this. It's just like, it would be like the top layer, like the crown hair, and tie this into a ponytail. You could also leave the whole style like this and make a half-up style from it. And then I add in all the rest. That means the cornrows and all her hair from down under. Then again, if you have a lot of hair, take a strong hair elastic. I pull it over my thumb, then bring it around, wrap it around, again over the thumb, and then loop it or bring the hair tie through that loop that is over the thumb, and then the rest of the hair tie around the rest of the hair. Now release the tiny ones, you won't need them. We just want the ponytail to be with loose hair. And for hiding the thick elastic, I bring with the topsy tail tool a strand of her of the ponytail around the elastic, and then the end I bring through the hair tie and through the ponytail. And this is our final result. Let's see if she shows us. 2 cornrows on the top in a C shape, half moon shape. Tell me how you would have called it. And the rest is just sleek and neat, and I love this for summer. It holds perfectly in the pool, at the beach, or at night when we just go out for dinner or whatever are your plans. Hope you like it, and if you did, don't forget to share this video, give us a big thumbs up, leave us a comment down below, and yeah, thank you for watching. Enjoy the summer. Bye bye, see you back soon. This way.